In Japan, the legend of Teke Teke sends shivers down the spine of anyone who hears it. Teke Teke is said to be the spirit of a young girl who met a tragic end when she fell on a train tracks and was cut in half by an oncoming train. The gruesome nature of her death binds her spirit to the earthly realm. Her name comes from the sound of her dragging upper body across the ground, creating a chilling Teke Teke noise. This legend originated in the post-war era, reflecting societal fears and the traumatic experiences of those who lived through it. Tales of Teke Teke vary, with some saying she seeks revenge on unsuspecting teenagers who wander alone at night, while others claim she just wants someone to help her find her lower half. Witnesses recount eerie encounters, hearing her cry out for help, or experiencing sudden drops in temperature. Such stories often serve as cautionary tales for children, warning them to avoid dark places and not walk alone. The Teke Teke legend thrives in urban areas, remaining a haunting reminder of grief, loss, and the supernatural, ensuring that her story continues to be passed down through generations. If you love scary stories, subscribe.